Hi, this is Mr. Ripley. I just wanted to show you how to create a Google MyMaps. Remember, you'll be using Google MyMaps to pin cities from different countries around the world. So the first thing is you need to be in your drive. You go up to New, and then you slide down to More, and then right there is Google MyMaps. So click on that, and it will load a new map. So as far as your map, it's untitled. I'd like you to change it to your last name, first name, world map, and then save it. Do that first so you don't forget. So you'll have a list of things to pin, but I want to show you first of all how to pin. So there are two options. One is if you needed to identify, Seattle, Washington, you could zoom in and you can grab this pin button and just click it, sorry, and then drop it right there, and then you can hit save. The easier way to find things is you can type in Seattle, Washington, and you can see pull up there, and you need to make sure you click add to map. All right, so let me delete this one. If you ever need to delete a pin, you can click on them here, so it's easier than finding them on the map, and you just hit the trash can. So there it's named Seattle. One thing that I want you to do is you're going to have to edit it. So to edit it, you click, and you need to add some, at least one or two pictures on here. The easiest way to do that is, instead of uploading, if you go to Google image search, you can then click Seattle, or type in Seattle, Washington, and it will save images. So you can select one. I like the one at night, and hit there, save. And so now it will have an image there. Also, part of the assignment, you have to do a brief description. Remember, these brief descriptions need to be in your own words. In the same window, you click the edit, so the pencil, and then you are able to type Seattle is the. Right, so you're adding some facts, maybe the population, other things that kind of we covered and talked about in class. So you can save. Make sure you hit save. If you don't hit save, it will not. It will go away. So it's not like a Google Doc that automatically saves. You have to hit save. So there is, you pinned Seattle. So other things you need to find are landforms. So you can search, let's see, Mount St. Helens. If you're going to pin that landmark, you can always zoom out. So you can add to map. And then, so other features on here, that's quick overview. So your base map, you can change that to any one. I don't care, do which one you like. I like the satellite is my favorite. Another thing to do is you're going to do to name your layer. You click on it, state, save. There you go. Now it's labeled Washington State. I would like you to create a layer for every continent that you're doing, and then you should color coordinate or change your icons for your cities and your geographic features. So how you do that is you can click here, and you can go in here and do it this way by clicking on the paint can, but you can also click it right here on the paint can. So you can change the icons if you would like. There are all sorts of icons. So like I'll do the square for the city, and then you can also change the color. So this should be consistent, just like any map key is, that all colors of cities are the same and landforms are the same. If you wanted to say, hey, this is a river, so I'm doing this color, a mountain's doing this color, that's fine because it's consistent, but it shouldn't be like a rainbow with no purpose. Let's see, do that green. And that one saves automatically, and then St. Helens, that's right here. And say, oh, all mountains you can hike. So I'm going to do the hiking icon, and let's do it that camo green. All right, so another thing you need to do is open up the share settings to make sure there's no problem. So how you open up the share settings is you click share right here. And you're going to say get link change. Wait, they changed it. Oh, go into settings here. That's not what I think. Nope. Oh, all right. So you click on the get link, you go restricted and change it to anyone in the Marysville School District can view it, or you can go to anyone with the link. And then you're going to click done. And then to share it with me, to turn it in, you're going to copy this link, and that's what you'll share with me in Classroom.